Tech Friends, Keyboard and Mouse. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, computer mouse, holding a computer mouse properly, mouse actions, keyboard. We use a pencil to write in our notebooks. In the same way, a keyboard is used to type words and sentences on a computer. A keyboard has many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Let us learn about the different keys of the keyboard. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used for typing letters, words, and sentences. These are 26 in number, as shown. Number keys. The keys with numbers 0 to 9 printed on them are called number keys. We use these keys to type numbers. There are 2 sets of number keys on the keyboard. Special keys. Let us learn about some special keys. Enter key. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. There are 2 Enter keys on a keyboard. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is used to insert a space between 2 numbers, words, or letters. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Caps lock key. We can type the letters in capital by pressing the caps lock key. When we press it once, the caps lock light is on. It is turned off on pressing the key again. Backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase letters and numbers. It erases anything typed to the left of the cursor. Delete key. The delete key is also used to erase letters and numbers. But unlike a backspace key, the delete key erases data to the right of the cursor. There are 2 delete keys on a keyboard. Computer mouse. A computer mouse is a small device with 2 buttons, left button and right button, and a scroll wheel in the middle. Such a mouse is called a scroll mouse. It has a tail-like wire which connects it to the CPU cabinet. A computer mouse with no wire is called a wireless mouse. When we move the computer mouse, a slanted arrow moves on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Holding a computer mouse properly. It is very important to place our fingers properly on the mouse while using it. Step 1. Place your index finger on the left button of the mouse. Step 2. Place your middle finger on the right button of the mouse. Step 3. Rest your palm on the mouse. Step 4. Hold the mouse with your thumb on one side and your remaining fingers on the other side. Step 5. Use your index finger to move the scroll wheel. Mouse actions. Do you know your mouse can talk to the computer with its clicks? Let us find out how. Mouse actions are the different ways we use a computer mouse to tell the computer what to do. The main mouse actions are left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, scroll. Left click. Pressing the left mouse button once and releasing it is called left click. This is generally used to open or select something. Double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice quickly is called double click. This is used to open a program or a file. Right click. Pressing the right mouse button once and releasing it is called right click. This shows a pop-up list of options. Drag and drop. Pressing the left mouse button, moving the mouse and then releasing it is called drag and drop. This is used to move an item from one position to another. Scroll. Placing the index finger on the scroll wheel and rolling it upward or downward is called scrolling. This is used to move a page up or down.